You will need Quartzgrip stair tread covers, saw with diamond or stone cutting blade, tape measure, pencil, marker, adhesive, screws. Step 1. Cutting. Lay the stair tread cover face down and cut to size using an untoothed blade. It's always best to cut face down, as cutting face up may blunt the blade or grab the material. Step 2. Fitting. Lay the stair tread cover face down, measure mark and drill holes. Drill a minimum of 6 holes per metre, 3 at the front and 3 at the back of the step. As a rule of thumb, leave a 50mm perimeter. Avoid any trip hazards by turning the stair tread cover over, face up, and countersink the drill holes. This will create a flush fit. Drill pilot hole onto the substrate you are fitting to. Apply adhesive liberally in lazy S shape to the back of the stair tread cover. Turn over and fit. Screw securely into place, ensuring screws are not protruding. Clean away any dust or debris and hose down once adhesive has hardened. Contact sales at steponsafety.co.uk or call us on 01206 396446 or visit our website www.steponsafety.co.uk.